Hello there, it's a brand new day. Welcome to yet another video review with me, Joy Danu. Today we're going to be looking at the Oppo Find X3, which will be launching in March 2021. Let's take a look at this amazing phone and everything it has to offer. So let's jump right into it and get to look at the body of the new Oppo Find X3. The glass front is going to be made of Gorilla Glass with a ceramic or a leather back, plus an aluminium frame. The thickness of the phone is 9.5 millimeters. It has a width of 75.1 millimeters, a weight of 222 grams, and a height of 162.4 millimeters. The Oppo Find X3 is going to be a dual SIM card, and good news for the people who like going to take videos and photos in the ocean or in the swimming pool. This is good news for you because you can be able to submerge it up to 1.5 meters and it can stay up to 30 minutes inside the water. The new Oppo Find X3 has a resolution of up to 1440 by 3116 pixels and a display size of 6.7 inches. It also has the new operating system, which is Android 11, has a no memory card but an internal storage of up to 12 gigabytes. Oppo phones are known to have the best cameras in town, and the Oppo Find X3 is no different. The main camera has 50 megapixels, whereas the selfie camera has 32 megapixels. The main camera has features such as the dual LED, HDR, and panorama. You can actually enjoy your music on your way to work and blast away because the speakers of the Oppo Find X are awesome. It has a variety of comms like the Bluetooth, the GPS, the NFC, the radio, and the USB, which is actually a Type-C. The phone's battery is 4,500 milliamp hours with a fast charging of up to 65 watts and a wireless charging of up to 30 watts. The Oppo Find X3 has a variety of features. We have the sensors where we have the fingerprints, proximity, and the compass. When it comes to messaging, we have the email, the SMS, the MMS, and the push email. The rumored color available for this phone is black and the price is yet to be confirmed. There's a variety of differences between the Oppo Find X2 Pro and the Oppo Find X3. For example, when it comes to the screen size, the Oppo X2 is 6.7 inches, while the Oppo X3 is 6.67 inches. When it also comes to the refresh rate, the Oppo X2 has 120 Hz, while the Oppo X3 has 144. The screen resolution of the Oppo X2 is 1440 by 3168 pixels, while the screen resolution for the Oppo X3 is 1440 by 3216 pixels. When it comes to the battery level, the Oppo X2 has 4260 milliamp hours, while the Oppo X3 has 4500 milliamp hours. When buying the phone, it comes together with a handset, a headset, a Type-C USB cable, an adapter, a SIM card pin, protective case, a quick guide, and a warranty. The Oppo Find X is a great phone to have, and we are all anticipating its release. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Goodbye.